Mamata Banerjee says that she has the potential to lead the India bloc. Is there a real division in the India bloc is what we are questioning. Kirti Azad sir, senior leader of the TMC and MP, is right here with us. So how do you see this entire thing where Sharad Pawar also says, you know, she's a woman leader, she's firebrand and she has the potential about Bengal Chief Minister?
Yes, she is very capable of leading the alliance. She was the one who formed the alliance. And if you look at the strike rate of Congress, Narendra Modi, BJP versus the Congress, they have only 10% strike rate.
Right.
But if you look at the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, with Mamata Banerjee leading the Trinamool, it's 70%. Even in the by-elections, where BJP had one seat, now it's become a member of parliament.
Right.
And we had 5, she hit the BJP and Narendra Modi ji for a 6 out of West Bengal boundary. She has shown the capability as a chief minister. She's been there since 2011. Every time Mr. Modi comes and speaks all those explicits against her and the people of West Bengal, she manages to improve her tally and also the vote share. So we would request Mr. Modi to come more often to West Bengal so that he can get at least completely, totally finished from West Bengal.
But would you request the Congress party to give this proposal a serious thought? Because it's been in this space for a long while, and with the drubbing of Haryana and Maharashtra, the chorus amongst especially the allied partners, if a leader of a stature of Sharad Pawar says that, Ram Gopal Yadav is saying Kharge ji is the leader of the India bloc, you know, thereby questioning the ability of Rahul Gandhi.
It's basically, it's not the questioning, no questioning of any leader. The question is who's performing. The one who performs is in the team. The one who performs the best is the captain of the team.
But they said Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi's performance was bumper.
But what happened after that? I mean, you had a bumper performance in Maharashtra, and what happened after that? Fizzled out. What happened in Haryana?
So you're saying there's no consistency about it?
No, that is, the question is, it's not against anybody. It's everybody talking about the firebrand leader who can give a challenge to Narendra Modi ji is Mamata Bandyopadhyay.
All right.
And hence she should be given the onus of being the captain of the Gathbandhan.
Thank you very much. That was Kirti Azad telling India Today that Mamata Banerjee has the potential to in fact lead the India bloc. On the other side, it's not about what Rahul Gandhi is doing or whether he has the potential, but here we're talking about performance, and the person who actually performs should be rewarded. This is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.